Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a review on Glow Recipes product, and these will be the products that I will be going over. Glow Recipe is a skincare line that is 100% natural and clean. Their entire line is free of paraben, sulfate, phthalate, and other harmful ingredients. A fun fact about Glow Recipe is that each one of their product has a superfruit in the product name, and that superfruit is also one of the key ingredients in that particular product. Their whole skincare line focuses on fruits that will bring out your inner glow, and some of these fruits include watermelon, pineapple, banana, avocado, papaya, blueberry, and plum. The first product that I'm going to go over is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and this is because you have to cleanse your face before applying on any skincare products. This is a gentle cleanser and a makeup remover that is jam-packed with antioxidant-rich blueberry, hyaluronic acid, and gentle AHAs. This cleanser has a unique texture. It is lightweight, bouncy, gel-like texture. When you add water, it foams up a little bit and deeply cleanses the skin without over drying it. It feels very gentle on my skin. This product is loaded with antioxidant-rich blueberry extract to protect the skin from environmental stressor and soothe inflammation. This does have a slight smell of blueberries, but it is not overpowering and the scent doesn't bother me. This does advertise as a makeup remover, but I personally would not use a cleanser as a makeup remover, as I find that they don't do a really good job at removing your makeup. I will use a cleansing balm to remove my makeup first, and then I will go in with a cleanser like this one to remove any leftover makeup residue. Although this product does contain hyaluronic acid, I just find that there's other cleanser out there that are more hydrating for my skin type. Because of the gel-like texture of this product, it is great for somebody with oily skin. I'm glad that I only got a mini size of this product, as I like to try new products before committing to a full size. I may still use this once a week just so that I can use it up. I feel that the products that comes after the cleansing steps are the ones that are more important. Next up, we have the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is a lightweight moisturizer and is formulated with 90% watermelon extract, so it should plump, smooth, and hydrate your skin. It has a very lightweight texture that absorbs easily into the skin. You can actually use this in two different ways. So if you have oily skin, or on the days that your skin feels oily, you can use this as a moisturizer. Take a couple of pumps and press it into your skin. This works for me during the summertime, and I can also use it when I travel to Asia where it is super hot. The second way that you can use this product is as a serum and then go over top with a thicker moisturizer on days where your skin feels dry, or if you actually have dry skin like me. I did use another moisturizer on top of this moisturizer, as I find that this doesn't give me the hydration that I need. For me, I wouldn't use this as a serum, as I have other serums that have more concentrated ingredients that I believe that are more beneficial for my skin. This is another product that I didn't purchase the full size of just because there was a lot of hype around this moisturizer and I wanted to purchase a smaller size to try how it feels on my skin. This moisturizer really isn't for me, but I can still use it up during the summertime, which is pretty much the only time I can use it. The next product I have here is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This is a lightweight sleeping mask that will hydrate and soothe your skin overnight and will give you more radiant skin in the morning. This product is suitable for all skin type, but it does have a watermelon smell, so if you have sensitive skin, that's something to watch out for. This mask contains watermelon extract, which will help hydrate and deliver essential vitamins to your skin. It contains anti-inflammatory properties to soothe irritation. The hyaluronic acid binds moisture to the skin, so you have ultra hydrated skin in the morning. The AHA will help get rid of dead surface cells to give you smoother skin. The peony root is responsible for brightening and soothing the skin. Similar to the Pink Juice Moisturizer, you can use the sleeping mask in two ways. So the first way you can use it is to leave it on your skin overnight and then go to sleep with it, and then you wash it off in the morning. The second way you can use this is as an immediate wash-off treatment, where you put this on your face for 10 minutes and then wash it off. This mask comes with a spatula that you use to scoop up the products and spread it all over your face. Then pat it in so that your skin can absorb the ingredients. I only use this as a sleeping mask since I have other masks that I wash off after 10 minutes. I love everything that this mask has to offer, but the only downside is that if you don't use it for a while, the product separates. You can see the color separation right here. When that does happen, you have to mix it for about a good minute so that the product is evenly distributed before you apply it onto your skin. But don't let this be the reason that holds you up from giving this product a try. Another popular product from Glow Recipe is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Let's talk about some of the ingredients. This mist contains 84% watermelon extract oil, which will give you plenty of hydration. It contains hyaluronic acid, which is great for hydrating, soothing, and refreshing the skin, apple cider vinegar to help balance oil production, hibiscus extract to refresh the skin and enhance your makeup, rice germ oil, which helps protect against free radicals. This is an ultra lightweight liquid that spurts out an ultra fine fog-like mist. There's actually so many different ways that you can use this. You can use this to spray on your face throughout the day to add hydration, or you can use it as a makeup enhancer to enhance your makeup. If you want dewy looking skin, you can spray this on top of your makeup or even your skincare products if you're not wearing any makeup on a regular day. They even say that you can spritz this in between your makeup steps so that it keeps your skin hydrated throughout the whole process. Like the watermelon sleeping mask, this also separates if you leave it sitting on your countertop for a while. When you shake it up, the product should be evenly distributed. So just remember to shake it each time you want to use it so that you can benefit from the full effect of the natural skincare ingredients. And lastly, I have this mini banana souffle moisture cream. This is a deluxe size that I received from my Ipsy Glam bag, and I absolutely love this cream. The packaging on the full size of this looks much better than the one I have. This is a rich souffle-like texture cream that is yellow in color. The cream doesn't feel thick or heavy on the skin and is deeply hydrating. The non-comedogenic formula is tested not to clog pores, so this is safe on acne-prone skin and even sensitive skin. The number one ingredient in this cream is banana, which is rich in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin B6 to help soothe and hydrate your skin. Turmeric extract will help reduce redness and irritation while brightening your skin at the same time. Chia seed maintains the skin moisture level and treat dryness. Cica will help soothe and calm the skin. Hyaluronic acid is the holy grail ingredient for skin hydration. This cream has a thicker formula than the Pink Juice Watermelon Moisturizer and is much better for my dry skin. I wouldn't repurchase this cream, but I would definitely repurchase this one. The Watermelon Sleeping Mask works for me, so I'm going to keep using it. And the Ultra Fine Mist, it's great to have if you have that extra bit of money to spend on skincare, but this is not a necessary product to have. I would just focus on finding a serum and moisturizer that works for your skin. And as for this Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, I can pass on just because I have other cleanser that works better for my skin. This is actually a really good cleanser for somebody with oily skin, but unfortunately it did not work out for me. And that's all the product for today. I hope you all enjoy this Glow Recipe review. Thank you so much for sticking around, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!